Hey y'all, before we get into the video, I want you guys to do a few things. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. After you subscribe, hit the bell right next to the notification button. That way you guys can get notifications every time I upload. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Okay y'all, so I kept this shower cap on because I wanted to keep the moisture in my hair. But as you guys can see, my hair is sectioned off already into 4 sections. I did wash my hair and condition. So for the deep conditioner, I'm going to use the Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask. This has sweet almond oil and wheat protein and honey, and it restores, strengthens, and hydrates. Because it is the winter time, I wanted something kind of heavy and something that was going to hydrate my hair because, of course, we know the winter time can dry out your hair. You get this from Sally's Beauty Supply, and that's kind of the only place I've seen their products. So I'm just gonna go through each section. As you can see, my curl pattern is popping, but I'm just gonna section each section off with my fingers, and then just take a little bit of the mask. Just gonna kind of rake this through. And because it's the winter time, you want to focus on the ends of your hair, of course, because that is the oldest part of your hair. And I just take brush and I distribute the product through. After that, literally just twist. And then I'm going to take the same section and kind of repeat what I just did down there. Product. Kind of rake it through your hair. Take a little bit. This. You want to put it at the ends. My hair is so long, the shrinkage is real. And then you just take your detangle brush, whatever detangle brush you have, and just kind of distribute the product through. If your hair, like my hair is thicker in the back, so you'll see me add more product in the back than I do to the front. But whatever you got to do, however you got to do it, just get it done. And then we'll just twist it up. So you guys, this is literally all that I do. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so now that everything is all twisted up, I'm going to take the same bag or the same shower cap and put it on. And then I'm going to put my hot head on and I'll leave that on for 30 minutes. Okay, guys, so I'm going to take my hot head and I'm going to leave this on for maybe about 15 to 30 minutes, just depending on how long it stays warm. And then I'll be back to show you guys the final result. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result. You see my curl pattern. My hair looks super hydrated and moisturized. I did not dry it off or anything, but I just wanted to show you guys the finished product. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I will see you guys in my next video.